Hello, today I'll show you how to microwave your buttercream to get a really deep, nice color. So I'm trying to get a navy blue, a really deep navy blue color for this buttercream. And I'm using a combination of purple, black, and of course navy blue color, food coloring. I'm using a Sugar Flare brand in the UK. So now I'm just combining the colors bead by bead and stirring it in the buttercream icing just till I'm satisfied. But after I've used quite a lot, I wasn't too satisfied with the color and I had to stop right there. And so this is where I pop it in the microwave, leave it for about 17 seconds. And then because I want it even much deeper, I went on to microwave again for another 15 seconds, and yeah, it was really nice and dark. So there are tips that you should take note. To microwave in small batches and you mix thoroughly and also chill it after you're satisfied with the color for a while, and then mix with a hand mixer. Then you can use it. So look at how deep and rich and beautiful that color is. Don't be afraid, it's going to turn out really fine. I have tried it a couple of times. I got this trick from a Facebook group and I found it really useful. And because I noticed some people are quite skeptical about it, I decided to film a video and show you how it works. So I will upload in a video soon of how I decorated this cake with that microwaved buttercream. But in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel and please follow me on Instagram. So till next time, have a lovely day. Click on this next video. I know you want to.